2 eggs. Man, those yolks are nice and big. I got the yolk thing in here. 2 eggs.
Wow, big yolks.
Yeah, that's why we like the duck eggs.
Yeah, see, it tells you eggs, vegetable oil, vanilla, pumpkin, well, it's everything all at one time except flour. Then spices.
Okay, so what's next? Oil?
So then you go, what do we got here?
Half a you're
Yeah,
in
you
the
got the
screen.
eggs, the oil,
Okay.
vanilla.
Okay, so we're gonna do half a cup of oil, and then a teaspoon of vanilla, right?
And use the lid. Same, pretty much the same.
I do that on purpose. We
I
like
know.
vanilla. Okay, and then mix those together.
Oil, vanilla, pumpkin,
Okay.
and the sugars.
Okay, I just want to whip the.
Pumpkin all open.
I got it open. Okay.
Oh, you got it already. Okay.
Yep. Ooh. 1 can of pumpkin. A whole cup of white. And we have 1/3 brown sugar.
Beat the heck out of it.
Beat the heck out of it. Okay, so those are beaten the heck out of. And now we add, we have 1 cup.
And then it said, who blended the spatula? So,
Oh, and 3/4 of flour. And then we have 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. We have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now, mix those up with my paddle. That's what it looks like. There we go. Nicely mixed all together. You don't want to over mix it. Just want everything combined. Okay. The oven is set at 350 degrees.
75.
The oven is set at 375 degrees. Doesn't matter. That full? Is that how you did it?
that's good.
Hmm?
I'll put this in the microwave.
Those are really full. Let's make 6 big ones and how many small ones?
No. Oh, I don't know how many small ones, but there's 12 probably.
Yeah. What I loved about these muffins is that how moist they turned out. Okay, there we go. We're gonna mix half a cup of powdered sugar and cream cheese.
8 ounces.
8 ounces of cream cheese. And try to run it slow. I'm gonna need a little spatula to. It went up in the corners. Just to. Want it nice and smooth. So you really want to make sure that you get that cream cheese nice and soft.
Not melted.
Not melted, just soft. Okay. You can put that closer to you. There you go. Okay, that's probably good. Okay.
Let's to loosen the
Oh, I didn't know that.
Them down there, yeah.
There we go.
Can't waste it, can
You're
you?
gonna have leftovers.
Yeah, no, we're not. It's gonna all go on the muffins.
Okay. So I'm just gonna start with.
Oh, sure, show me up. Do it better than I did.
Not showing you up.
I'm teasing you.
Yeah, I know. Okay. This is not easy.
Well, I tried it with a toothpick and that definitely didn't work, and then I found those.
Yeah. Chopstick is the best for this. Okay.
I just add more to it.
Until it's all gone. Yep. That's the problem is when it gets on the outside. I have to take some from this one, put it over there. There we go. Okay. Let's carefully smooth this in. And there we go.
Watch out, buddy.
There we go. Beautiful pumpkin muffins.